So here are our oh yes, I forgot. Yes, yes, yes. Cheer for the teams. Cheer for the teams. Yes, yes, yes. Okay. Top player.
Teachers and students, please move to the ground.
Okay. Here are zoom, zoom. There is no Josh.
Now all the players are going to introduce themselves.
Stand here. Stand here.
Yes. Taken. Yes.
पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल गंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा
Scenario. Position.
सलमान भैया
whom you are supporting? Of course, you will support
teachers, of course, teachers.
Side. Go. Say something. Hawalo says. Come on, Sahil! Come on! Go! That boy is playing from he's not playing. He's like a dubbing sir.
Everybody is enjoying this match. Very close to the goal. Sandar. But our Hindi teacher is bigger than the goal. Goal post. That's why goal cannot pass through him. That's obvious that it is very difficult.
यहाँ लंबाई का फायदा उठाते हुए रोशन सर.
It's a very, very exciting match and we are very excited about it. We are finding a goal either from the student side, either from the teacher side.
अभिजीत सर, क्या लगता है आपको, क्या हो सकता है? मैच के बाद पता चलिए न जाएगा.
मैच के बाद पता चलिए ना जाएगा. सही बोलो, सही बोले सही. But one side, there
What a kick. थोड़ा सा दिशाहीन होते हुए विवेक सर, कोई बात नहीं.
Vivek sir is our most experienced and most talented player who is playing from teacher side, obviously, which is an advantage for the teacher.
He has been very, very supportive to all the teachers. बहुत ही supportive होते हुए, as a कप्तान का रोल निभाते हुए, कप्तान की भूमिका बहुत ही.
And teacher is trying to match their level. There could be a goal for the student side.
मार्शल सर देखिए बॉल का पीछा करते हुए विवेक सर के पास बॉल पहुंची है. देखिए आसानुद्दीन और विवेक सर में बहुत ही स्पर्धा होती हुई देख सकते हैं. सही नंबर का किक और यहाँ पर बॉल पार हो गई सीमा रेखा.
Kick very well. That will convert into a goal. Let's see. That could be no. That's not a chance.
तो हम लोग बॉसी होते हैं, बट यहाँ पर स्टूडेंट बॉसी हो रहे हैं. क्या लग रहा है?
I think I'm able to see those aggressive. Vishnu sir, what do you think? What you are feeling? Tell me about the vibe of a match.
सबका चयन बढ़िया कीजिएगा विष्णु सर.
Hello. Tell me your opinion, Vishnu sir.
Sanjay sir also there. And our teachers. Our beautiful teachers. Okay.
एक्टिव नहीं है स्टूडेंट का देखिए कितना एक्टिव है हाँ
Little pain relief.
Yes.
Pain relief is going on.
Take ours also.
Okay. You are not even cheering.
Student भी.
Don't take
No,
it.
ma'am.
Okay. Hey, what you are doing? Excuse from the way. Hey, you'll go. Go from here. Need to record this.
Very best.
Where is bad?
I am the best.
Sir is here for the extra energy. Yes.
Hello, big fan of you.
Big fan of whom? Big fan of whom? Sister? I'm sister?
Yes.
Very nice. Yes. Sit down, sit down.
Vivek sir is taking the cake, and as we know that, as per the experience, Vivek sir can convert this into a goal.
मैं अलग से रिटायर्ड
No,
Then?
I have taken his for the time being. Yes. Yes, I have taken in rent. Chair, you are doing just high. Chair for the teacher.
Ma'am, 0-0 goal, no?
Yes.
Ma'am, you play, ma'am, you can do goal.
Yes, I can do. Yes, of course.
Ma'am will play basketball.
Ma'am, football will blast
Ma'am, you can do goal.
Ball with the Messi sir. Messi sir is moving towards the goal.
I'm very hot, ma'am.
Vivek sir created a fair chance, but Messi sir did not pass the ball well to the Vivek sir. Again, Praveen sir, again.
What happened?
You will play basketball.
Yes, basketball.
That's a handball.
Ma'am, Yamal number?
What?
Basketball, no, Brazil. Yamal number.
I don't know.
Hi, ma'am.
I don't know. Yamal. Yamal. Okay, I'll search today. I don't know. I know only few of them. 1-0. 1-0. 1-0. 1-0.
One, we also goal, ma'am.
Where? No, no, no. It's slippery. Muddy, muddy. What is it? Yes, nothing will happen. Falling will not do nothing. No problem. Why are they roaming around first?
No, you should kick, no. Why did it?
I think Steven created a fair chance this time, but player is not in the position to take the goal. That's why they missed it.
Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Ramsha is getting ready. Oh my God. Okay.
How many goals? Who is zero? No, I'm supporting teachers.
Yes, that's a teachers. No, you have to support the students.
I think they need to play little. We want to see the hunger and determination from the students' side.
Not neighbors. I think the first time when neighbors
And they can bounce back again with their aggression. I think student damaged the umbrella for another student.
Should go inside.
Then they will play.
Who will play?
They will play.
Yes.
When I'm coming in the entering
Much time is left. And after few minutes, a very good dribbling now. Oh my God! There is a time.
Everything is being recorded here.
And I look so fun. We will not put song in the.
No filter, no filter. Those are speaking Hindi, nicely you all will be caught. Bell did not go, no?
Many times, several times the ball. Play the song. That one is because your teacher is singing in that song.
बहुत ही अच्छा
Yes. Whom should I support?
Teacher. No, ma'am, student, ma'am. Teacher. I know teacher. Teachers, ma'am. Then you should teachers, And I know teachers will only win.
I heard.
कर सकते हैं बहुत अच्छी बात टीचर तो टीचर होते हैं ये
Enthusiasm and passion they play. Winning and losing is a part of a game. Some will win, some will lose. But learning is very important here. And we learned a lesson. We learned a teamwork and sportsmanship. And I would like to request from captain from teachers team and student team, please come forward. Now I would like to request Vivek sir to speak few words. What was your experience while playing and what you wanted to comment on this match?
Thank you very much, sir. On behalf of teachers team, I would like to thank Reverend Father Principal and the managing team of today's tournament. It was a very good opportunity and the platform given to us by Reverend Father Principal to showcase our talent and to get experience. And it was a good competition. It was a very good. Students are not so experienced than the teachers. They played well and took us to the limit. So carry on, move forward and play well.
Now I would like to request the student team's captain Salman to say few words about your experience.
Respected Father Principal, teachers and students. Good afternoon everyone. So I would like to say from our team that team spirit was not there within us. Team spirit was not there within us. So we lost our match. Thank you.
It's okay Salman, it's a part of a game, it's a learning period.
On the feast and on the eve of our founders, Saint Ignatius of Loyola. Wonderful match we have witnessed and it was very, very thrilling. On the entire team, the students and the staff, remaining all they collaborated and cooperated and it was very, very excellent match. I appreciate you are 100% given, both the staff as well as students here given. So therefore, keep practicing. That's what I said, your students keep playing more and more so that you have a long way to go and therefore you will win. So don't give up. Your perseverance, your hard work and your determinations will take you where you want to go. And therefore at this moment, I also will announce the winning team, staff team. The man of the match was Mr. Praveen.